Chia seeds is one of the best superfoods to lose weight. Adding nuts and seeds to your diet is a good way to score on healthy nutrients and stay in shape as well. Chia seeds, amongst all, are considered to be an all-rounder for many reasons. From boosting digestive health, metabolic rate, high iron, omega-3 content and good fats, chia seeds make for an excellent addition to your diet. Most of all, the tiny white and black seeds are great for you to lose weight and reduce belly fat. There's a reason chia seeds have turned into an internet sensation and recommended by celebs so much. Loaded with nutrients. The seeds, which are native to Southern America, are also extremely rich in nutrients. For those who don't know, it has one of the healthiest nutrient profiles to offer. 100 grams of chia seed contains 16.5 grams of protein, 34.4 grams of dietary fibers, 7.7 milligrams of iron and 335 milligrams of magnesium. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. How chia seeds can help you lose weight faster. Chia seeds are a carbohydrate-rich grain which swell up once soaked in water or other forms of liquid. One of the best benefits of chia seeds is that it has a lot of fiber content in it, which is essential for body functioning and regulating fat. It is said that 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain at least 10 grams of fiber. For the same reason, it is linked to weight loss. They also make for an excellent source of plant-based protein. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that chia seed supplementation reduced appetite and increasing feelings of satiety in participants. While good fiber content helps regulate digestion and move toxins and extra fat away from the body, the wonderful chia seeds can also keep you feeling fuller, to a certain extent. What happens when you consume chia seeds regularly? They also score relatively high on antioxidant and omega-3 content, which helps keep the heart healthy, fight bad fat and free radicals in the body. It also contains zero cholesterol, which is a great way to keep extra weight under check. Few researchers have also shown that chia seeds are extremely beneficial in clearing up toxin buildup in the intestines and maintaining the visceral adipose tissues which deposit around the belly area. It's also said that having chia seeds daily may also help people control diabetes and blood pressure levels to an extent. But there's a catch. While chia seeds are termed as superfoods because of all these power-packed healthy nutrients, the calorie and fat content 2 tablespoons contain up to 138 calories. Hence, overdoing your intake can risk reversing weight loss. Although helpful, one must remember to follow the rule of moderation if you are thinking of adding chia seeds to your weight loss regime. We tell you the right way, and the right quantity of chia seeds to have in your diet. If you go by the internet's logic, adding or sprinkling chia seeds to your smoothies and salads can be a good way to harness all its benefits. However, if you really wish to unlock all health benefits and lose weight for good, you must work to maximize the nutritional benefits of the seeds. These can be done in 2 ways. 7. Soaking chia seeds overnight. Just like overnight oats, keeping chia seeds soaked in water or milk overnight can be a good way to fully germinate them and get rid of any sort of digestive inhibitors which act as a protective layer. While there's no real harm in eating chia seeds as it is, soaking chia seeds in liquid for hours could help you extract all nutritional benefits it has to offer. Plus, the water it soaks up in the process can help you stay hydrated. You can simply add a teaspoon or 2 of chia seeds to water, drink this concoction in the morning. Another way to do it is to drain out the excess water, and use the gel-like mixture and then add it to your food. 7. Combine them with other ingredients. For a super nutrient boost which is also a weight loss snack, try adding in chia seeds to a bowl of yogurt. While yogurt is rich in good bacteria which clears away toxins, chia seeds can add in a touch of protein and fiber to the snack. Chia seed pudding is also an easy dessert to whip up. Low on calories, this can fix your cravings on days you want sugar without being unhealthy. Oatmeal and chia seeds also can be used to make a delicious and energy-giving snack bar for weight loss. You can use any dry fruit, nut butter along with oats and chia seeds to prepare an easy energy bite. They'll satisfy you in no time, and can work as an excellent measure to practice portion control. The same way, you can also create other protein-packed desserts.